Hi everybody and welcome back to Excel Wiz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pull data from the web into Excel, just like the data you see here that is displayed on table format. So let's get started. So the first step, you need to go to your web browser and make sure you've got the page in which your data is. For example, I'm looking at ship bunkering prices in Fujairah. So I have this page open. So go and open your Excel sheet, click on data, under data, under get and transform data, click on import data from web page, click on that. So a pop-up will appear asking for the URL. So go back to your web browser and copy your URL back into Excel and paste it. Once you've done that, click on OK. So don't worry, it takes a couple of minutes to connect. So it's connecting your data to Power Query. So once that's done, our Power Query will come up. As you can see, it took some time because there are a lot of tables on that web page. So as you can see, we have table 1, table 2, all the way to table 9, as well as latest prices all the way down. So you can click on web view. Let's click on the latest prices VLSFO. So as you can see, if you click on the web view, it's going to show you if you're on the right page, which we are. So back on the table view, the first latest prices VLSFO. This is what I need. So if you need to change something about the data, something you don't need, you can click on transform. Once you click on transform, your Power Query editor is going to be opened up for you to make some changes. So this is how the Power Query editor is. It's taking some time because we are dealing with a big data set. So this is how we have. So if you need to change the headers, if you need to change the information down here, you can do that. But for this particular moment, let's close it up and see. So your data is going to be loaded on your worksheet. If you are not going to transform the data, you could have just clicked on the load and that's it. To bring you back here. So give it a couple of minutes and your data will be placed on your worksheet. So as you can see, your data now is here. It has been fully scrapped from the web and directly into your Excel sheet. So just remember that for all the data that you need to get from your web, it has to be in a table format for you to be able to scrap it into Excel. Otherwise, if your data is not in a table format, you can use PassHub to be able to scrap the data into your worksheet. Please let me know if you want me to create a different video showing you how you can pull data from the web into Excel by the use of PassHub if your data is not in a table format. Otherwise, as usual, thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Goodbye.